Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Revolution Bullbar from Lund on the Keys to Ride truck. This Bullbar adds function and flair to the front of this Ram 1500, and it gives extra protection, but it's also super durable. It's made of a heavy gauge stamped steel, and it features a matte black powder coat finish for that extra durability. Another cool feature of this Bullbar is the 20-inch LED light bar, which is great for off-roading or just adding extra visibility for driving at night. With the Revolution Lund Bullbar, you also get your wiring harness, switch, and license plate relocation kit. Overall, for this installation, we rate this a 5 out of 10, and it'll take you about 2 or 3 hours. Realistically, it's not all that difficult, but there is some cutting and some wiring involved, so if that's something that makes you uncomfortable, please check out our dealer locator below to find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase and installation of this product. The Revolution Bullbar from Lund features a limited lifetime warranty, and the LED light bar has a limited 3-year warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Revolution Bullbar from Lund. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.